So look at this. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes. So where do we have our stress?
Lee.
Eh?
Lee.
Are we sure? Eh?
Lee.
Yes. Validity. Yeah. Pronounce it, eh? Validity. Is number 7. I get it. You'll be able to detect it because it's adjectival word. Ditry. So when you say ditry, the thing falls. Right? Then congratulations. Lay correct. You know, you say shun. That counting from behind, it will be what? The 2. So that is what? B. Very good. Then, how many are doers? Eh? Conspiracy. Conspiracy.
Conspiracy is adjective.
Yes, adjective too. The same thing that is applicable here, it says yes. I get it. So just for you to bear it in mind that words that fall under adjective and noun have similar rules. Do you understand? Because adjectival words tell us more about noun words.